How to make affiliate marketing more profitable. Attempting to learn about something like affiliate marketing can be quite difficult, and that's because there's just so much misinformation out there. A lot of people want to sell you on their useless products, so they only tell you a part of the story. Check out this video and find out about affiliate marketing, what those other guys aren't telling you. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you'll find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. If you want to make some decent money, look for a program that actually helps you make sales. Join a program that offers resources to help you present the product and convince your customers. A good affiliate program should also offer a kind of crash course about effective sales techniques. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Do not panic if you see sales conversions numbers that are only around 1%. If you're holding out for higher than that as an affiliate, you may be holding out indefinitely. 1 out of every 100 visitors turning into a customer is actually a great conversion rate for most products, especially with larger, more popular services that receive thousands of visitors per day. Use ranking tools and software to research what works for your audience. Find out what ads and pages are gaining you customers. If a particular ad is not sending any traffic to your affiliate, then get rid of it and try something new. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking to get to maximum effectiveness. There are no real secrets in affiliate marketing. There are just tight-lipped people who would rather have your money than give you any advice. Use these tips to help push your marketing efforts to the next level. With the right information and a whole lot of drive, you will succeed at your goals. Student loan.